Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Advice. In today's video, I will tell you how to rearrange data in Microsoft Excel. So I am having data in a single column. Normally we copy and paste each data like this. Then we copy contact numbers and paste it like this. Today I will show you a very easy way to rearrange data. For that I will undo these things. Then I will select the data first, all the data what I have here. I will press Ctrl G. Then I have to press special button here. Then I have to click here on constants. So I have to uncheck these things, numbers, logicals, errors. So only text should be checked. Then OK. Then I will press Ctrl C. And I have to click here. Then I have to paste the data with Ctrl V. All the names of the employees got pasted here. Now I have to copy the contact numbers of the employees. For that I have to select the data once again. Then I have to press Ctrl G. Then click on special. Then again click on constants. Then uncheck text, logicals and errors. Then press OK. Then press Ctrl C. Then click here and press Ctrl V. So all the contact numbers of my employees got pasted here. This is the way you can easily copy and paste raw data and rearrange it very easily. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.